Hi, this is Tara Allen with the Allen Edge Real Estate Team at Keller Williams Realty. Today I want to talk to you about the home inspection process. Congratulations, you just had an accepted offer. Typically, the next part is home inspections. We would recommend that you hire a licensed home inspector to do the inspections. Within 7 to 10 days, you should have your home inspection completed and have another 2 to 3 business days to renegotiate any items found. So what are the home inspectors looking for? Well, the home inspector inspects everything from the roof to the furnace to the stove burner to the electrical outlets. We want to make sure that your home is structurally, mechanically, electrically sound. We want to make sure that there's no evidence of pest infestation. Another thing that the inspector will be looking for is water. Make sure that there's no water penetration. I know where we live, this can be a big deal. So what happens after that? You'll talk with your real estate agent after you receive the extensive report from the home inspector within 24 hours. You'll sit down with your agent and decide, are there any items of concern that you want brought to the attention of the seller? Now remember, unless this is a new construction home, it's not a brand new home. There's always going to be some wear and tear, home maintenance, things like that needed. However, if there are some items of concern, your real estate agent will meet with you and type up an addendum to address the sellers. From there, one of 3 things will happen. The sellers will agree to fix the items, they will counter back, or they will reject the addendum. After the addendum is sent and the renegotiations are done, you should know if you can't come to an agreement, you are protected with the home inspection clause. Don't worry, this all seems stressful. We will walk you through the process step by step. If you have any other questions about the home inspection process, please feel free to reach out to one of our agents. Again, my name is Tara Allen with the Allen Edge Real Estate Team, and I want to thank you for watching this video.